Howdy. How's it going? This old Chigger here, and I tell you what, I ain't never been so down and out about our balls, and golly, every time we go out there, we get our tails whipped. Beginning to think that old Chigger just a big old fat jinx on them. You know, I send out these videos and try to get everybody pumped up and fired up for the game, and all it leads to is butt kicking. So, I don't know. You know, it's a big week this week. Got Alabama, and they're probably going to kill us. I mean, our quarterback probably going to be Nate Peterman. I mean, his name is Nate Peterman. I mean, Peter. That's just... so they're probably going to kill us. They're like, 70-2 probably. Peterman will find a way to sack himself in the end zone, and that'll be a safety or something. I don't even know if we wouldn't even get points for that. Well, I don't know. Chigger's just down and out. Went to Mississippi last weekend, and golly, they beat our tails in, so I'm expecting a beatdown. I just gotta be honest, and the only thing I can think of to make this week any better is just to make fun of Alabama. I mean, they're stupid and they're ugly, and then, so the only thing I can do is just make fun of them. So, I hope everybody out there is doing well, and maybe this will help you in an argument with Alabama fan after they kick our tails. How do you get an Alabama fan off your porch? Pay him for the pizza. I don't know if that's even funny, but that's kind of where we're at this season, How did the Alabama fan die from drinking milk? The cow fell on him. What does an Alabama girl say after sex? Daddy, get off of me. You're crushing my cigarettes. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. What does an Alabama student get on their ACT? Drool. What are the most commonly used words after two cousins have sex with each other? Roll Tide. Alabama, the only state where Ancestry.com and eHarmony are the same website. Why do all the trees in Mississippi lean to the east? Because Alabama sucks. Why do they sell so many button-fly jeans in Alabama? Because the sheep can hear a zipper from a mile away. What is the definition of an Alabama virgin? An ugly 12-year-old who can outrun her brothers. And finally, how do you circumcise an Alabama boy? You kick his sister right in the jaw. So hey, I tell you what, we're down and out. Our big oranges, they're just not good. But I love every one of you. I'm still with my balls. Let's don't give up yet. Alabama sucks. Go Big Orange. Love, Chigger.